friends, welcome to Coding Garden with CJ. I have an announcement, and I'm pretty excited about it. So on YouTube, I now have memberships enabled. So you may have seen a few weeks ago I posted on the community tab that I disabled advertisements on my channel. And so really the only other way to support me was through Patreon, but now you can support me as a YouTube member as well. There are various levels with various perks, but all of the levels get access to our Discord, and if you haven't joined it, you should, but this is a place where we can chat when I'm not live streaming. There's tons of channels, help channels, just a place to hang out, and there are exclusive supporter channels. So once you become a member, you'll get access to these channels where your stream suggestions will get priority, where potentially during a live stream, if the chat is too busy, you can throw a message in the supporters live channel and I'll be more likely to see that message, things like that. There are other various perks, such as avocados get to vote and suggest on one live stream topic per month. So if you're an avocado, only the avocados, it's an exclusive group, get to suggest and vote, and whatever they suggest and vote on, I will absolutely do a live stream on that topic for that given month. Tractors have the benefit of once a month for 1 hour, you can video chat with me. I can provide code help, life advice, we can just chat, but once per month, you'll be able to do a video chat with me. So check it out. I hope you will, or you'll think about becoming a member. Let's look at this. Yeah, so if you look on my YouTube channel, you can click the join button now, and now under any YouTube video, you can click the join button as well. So thanks for watching this. Thanks for supporting me all this way. I have made it past 25,000 subscribers way sooner than I ever thought I would, and it's because of all you wonderful people watching this video right now. Oh yeah, and there are other perks as well. So once you are a member in the live chat, you'll have a badge next to your name, and you get access to exclusive emojis. You can use the CJ emoji, or the CJ Think emoji, or the CJ Pixel emoji, and eventually, once we get more members, I can add more emojis as well. So thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support so far. See you in the next video.